Hello folks and welcome back again to our Relaxing Wood Shop. My name is David.
My name's Christopher.
How are you? Did you just have pizza?
Mm-hmm.
What time? What time is it in the morning?
Like 11.
11.
Pizza for breakfast.
Lovely. Fantastic, isn't it? Yes. So, how are we getting on, Christopher?
Yep, good. We're starting the wall today.
We're starting the wall today. So this week we are doing the Ryobi wall. It might take a couple of goes, but we'll get there, so we will. So what we're going to do is strip off the old wall, take all the bits off it, batten the back, put the frame up, and then I've got a whole new railing idea that I want to do myself. I don't think anybody has done this on any of the other shows because I've looked through some, and it's not French cleats or anything like that because we've got a lovely French cleat wall, but it's just something different. And then I was thinking of doing Ryobi writing on it or doing something like that. So we'll work out something. How are we getting on with the show?
Yeah, very good. It's nearly 340.
Fantastic. Yes.
People coming in.
Brilliant. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and all the notifications. And what about our shop tour? The shop tour? No. Shop tour has almost 1,400 views on it within 4 weeks. So that's fantastic. So it is, yes. So, right, we'll get over to the wall and see how we get on. Okay, folks, so here it is. So this is the area where we're going to do the Ryobi wall. And what it is over Christmas, as you've probably seen in the over videos and just going through the Ryobi tools, I've got a selection of Ryobi tools. And what I want to do is get them onto the wall in a nice design that's easy to access and put a bit of design feature to it so it's an actual feature wall as well to the shop. So it is. So, first of all, let's get everything pulled out.
So now that we've got the wall nice and clear, we're going to put a bat in here, and here, and then we're going to work out from that.
Okay guys, Christopher said, so we'll put the battens in. So this is the first one, and what we'll do is we'll get our pilot holes. That's one. Two.
That was a bit of a stretch, Dad.
Yeah, I should have got you to do that one. So what we'll do now, we'll drill these out, and then we'll put
raw plugs.
Raw plug, thank you, Christopher, into there, and then secure the batten to the wall. So that's all 3 battens Christopher and I have done there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our MDF board. This one here is 8mm MDF. To be quite honest, this was frighteningly how expensive all this wood's getting. So it is, but I wanted this to look right, so it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the MDF up, tie it down onto these boards here, and then work out a wee way of just, as Christopher said, probably do a wee router round the plug to tie it off. And then we're going to put a nice batten. Now what I originally done was going to do 2 45-degree angles to make a nice, obviously 90-degree in the top corner. But this pillar's off versus this pillar here with the insert, so I might just have to do a straight way because I don't want it looking a wee bit out of place there. So let's get the MDF on. Okay, so now we've measured up the board. What we're going to do is we're going to cut out the plug. Now this isn't the exact size because what we want to do is cut this box out first and just see if we're off by a couple of mil here or there and just tidy it up with the router. So we'll just cut this out. Okay, folks, so we've got that squared off. It's not perfect, but it's fine because I want a wee gap there. Should I need to get in to work with a plug in that there rather than take the whole unit off. So what we're doing now is we're doing a countersink drill bit so we can get the screws in and perfectly flush for the boards that are going on top. So we'll put another one here, a couple here, and then we'll put 3 more here, and that will lock that all down in place. Fill that with a screw. Perfect. And we'll do that with the rest. Okay guys, so as you can see, if Christopher backs up without hitting his head, he almost did. So as you can see, that is now the outer frame is well done on the thing, and that's the board set up. Now, Christopher's been kind of kept in the dark with this one, and by the dark, I mean literally in the dark, because what's going to happen now is we're going to name these board left, board right, board top, in, out, upside down, and these are all getting painted black, okay? And then what we're going to do, but before we paint them black, is we're going to insert a groove halfway up the board and 2 centimeters into the board to accept polythene plastic, because we're going to, this is getting exciting now, Chris, are you ready? LED light strips running all the way around it, shining up all the tills. Now Christopher's smiling thinking, how the heck's he going to work out this one? So let's keep going. Well folks, there you have it for another week at the Relaxing Woodshop. Sorry to cut you short, but there's so much to do in the next show, and as people that watch us weekly know, we film every fortnight on the day of the shoot and the recording, so you see exactly what we're doing as you see it. Does that make sense? We're recording it as you see it. How are we getting on, Christopher?
Yeah, we're doing very well. It's always nice to know what we're actually doing.
Okay, yes, I've been hiding a lot. Yes, even from Christopher, I've been hiding a lot, and he doesn't even know what's happening yet with the other bit that I'm going to be doing on it as well. So yeah. Nice. What's your frustration level?
The messiness of it.
One thing we love about our show is it's not only just enjoyment for yourselves, but we love having everything that's placed in the wee jars for our own OCD, just to be everything exactly where it is. Because I do get a wee bit tense up when it doesn't happen, and at the moment
I'm squished against the back wall because there's a big table in my way.
Yes, if I move this big table, Christopher's alto will go up about 6 levels. So guys, thank you so much again for watching, and please keep them coming. I know this one wasn't just as exciting as some of the other ones, but when you see what's going to happen in a fortnight's time and it really all comes together, you'll love it. So look forward to seeing you next time
On the Relaxing Woodshop.
Take care, guys.
Bye-bye.